In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram chat theme not showing. So first thing you need to do is leave Instagram and then go to phone settings, and then you want to search for apps. Inside of apps, you want to search for Instagram, and then here you want to go to storage, and you will have to clear cache and clear data, delete. Don't worry, this won't delete any of your personal data. So after you do this step, go back into Instagram and check if your issue has been fixed. So let me just log in. As you see, it logged me out because I cleared the data. So if this doesn't fix your issue, then go back to the phone settings, go back to the apps and Instagram, and then here you want to go to permissions and make sure you give permissions for Instagram to everything. So after you do this step, you can go back and check if your issue has been fixed. If not, then what you can do is leave Instagram and then go to Play Store and then search for Instagram and see if Instagram needs updating. Sometimes it's just an update and it could fix your issue. And after you fix it, you're supposed to see like this. So if you go to messages here and you go to any of the messages and click at the top, you should be able to see the theme chat. And that's it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.